Hey guys, it's Steve doing the video for SETH for the 2013 Strata AJ Green Rivet, number 1 out of 5. It was dropped 275 spots. Here's the list that I copied. Here's the list that I copied, sorry. I'm going to type live. It is 12-12. Gonna roll 2 dice, no snake eyes, 4 times. Here's the list. I'm not going to read them all, but I will scroll slow so you can see. Make sure everything's right. Same list that I just copied out of the thread. That's the list. We're going 4 times. It is 12-12. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Mac on top and Candace on bottom after 3. Dice rolls of 4. It is 12-13, 4th and final time. Good luck, everyone. Josh B. I'm guessing that's Josh Bricker. 4 times. Josh B on top. 4 on the dice. It is 12-13. Let me go over here. Yep, Josh Bricker. Congratulations, Josh Bricker. Send your info to SETH and type done. And it is 12-13, 12-14 now. Thanks, guys.